From Matthew, the wise men went their way, and lo, the star which they saw in the east went before them, till it came and stood over where the young child was. And when they saw the star, they rejoiced with exceeding great joy. And they came into the house and saw the young child with Mary his mother, and they fell down and worshiped him. In that region there were shepherds living in the fields, keeping watch over the flock by night. Then an angel of the Lord stood before them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them, and they were terrified. I would have been too if something had suddenly appeared in front of me. Now, sometimes that happens. My grandmother, who was not particularly religious, told me later on in her life, she was living in a home at that time, and she said, your grandfather suddenly appeared in my room. He just appeared and then he was gone. Almost like, don't worry, Elizabeth, there's more to life than meets the eye. Now, Christmas is a celebration of the birth of this incredible being named Jesus. This was his first go-round. I mean, in Unity, there's different perspectives on how evolved Jesus was when he came onto the planet. Just like anything, you've got very conservative views and very liberal views.